Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve or simplify a question, and our given question is x is to power minus 1 plus y is to power minus 1 over x plus y. And now we will solve this question and choose our correct answer from given below the values which are given over here. So in the first step for this given equation, the first step, we should convert this x is to power minus 1 plus y is to power minus 1 into 1 over x plus 1 over y, because as we know that this x is to power minus 1 can be written as 1 over x, and this 1 is to power minus y is to power minus 1 can be written as 1 over y. Over x plus y will remain same. Now in the next step, we should take LCM for this expression, and as a result we will get x plus y over xy and over x plus y. How? Simply when we will take LCM for this expression, this y will multiply with this one and this x will multiply with this one. As a result we will get x plus y over xy, and overall x plus y will remain same. And as we know that from the basic rule of mathematics, three fractions are unstable form for the mathematics. So as a result, in order to change unstable form into a stable form, we should multiply this x plus y with this x into y, or we should move this x plus y to the denominator with x into y, and as a result we will get x plus y will remain same, but in the denominator we will get x into y into x plus y. Now this x plus y and this x plus y will cancel out together, and as a result after cancelling both of these values we will get 1 over xy, and this is the right answer for this expression. So here the right answer for this expression is C. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.